Are you getting confused how to perform a trade in the stock market through technical analysis? Then here is the 6 most important step-by-step process that I was going to share in this video. By the way, hello, my name is Guru Ravindra. I'm your friend sharing my views and thoughts about the stock market. With this, let's quickly get into the 6-step process. The first thing is determination of the trend. For this, firstly we have to start with the monthly charts, which help us to determine the long-term trends, and then after we have to check into the weekly charts, which help us to determine the intermediate trends, and then after we have to go through the daily charts, which help us to determine the short-term trends or the swing trades. And for the intraday traders, you can go with the 15-minute charts. After coming up with the chart patterns, we have to observe some things like if the monthly chart, daily chart and the weekly chart are showing an uptrend, then it represents that there is an expectation of great bullish move. But if the monthly chart and the weekly chart are showing an uptrend and the daily chart is showing in a downtrend, then it represents that there is a buy signal at every support levels. And the last thing is, if the monthly chart and the daily chart and if the monthly chart and the weekly chart are showing in a downtrend, but the daily chart is showing an uptrend, then it represents that there is a sell opportunity at every resistance levels by exiting our position. And this is all about the first thing, which is the determination of the trend. Second thing is to spot the patterns with the help of the trend lines like uptrend, downtrend and the consolidation phases. And with the help of other tools also, we can find the some of the patterns like head and shoulder pattern, cup and handle pattern, rising wedge pattern, falling wedge pattern, flag patterns and many other patterns. The third thing is to identify the divergence between the price and the indicators with the help of some tools like RSI, that is the relative strength index, and the stochastic RSI, and as well as with the MACD also, which is moving average convergence divergence. Fourth thing is to check the moving averages of a price on monthly, weekly and daily charts with the help of the moving averages like exponential moving average, that is EMA, and the SMA, that is the simple moving average. The fifth thing is to check the momentum of the stocks with the help of some momentum indicators like stochastic RSI, Chaikin oscillator, as well as with the MACD also. Sixth and the most important step is to check the formations of the candlesticks like bullish harami, bearish harami, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, doji, long leg doji and bullish marbozu, the bearish marbozu, because these are the powerful candlestick formation that we have to identify, and it is very important to identify those things. My friend, if you align all these 6 steps with your trading style, it helps you to become a better trader than your previous ones while performing a trade. So with this, I hope you understand the 6 step-by-step process while doing your technical analysis. And if at any point of the time if you find the video is informative, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I'm going to release the most important videos on my YouTube channel about stock market on every weekend at around 5 p.m. So make sure you don't miss any of those and comment your opinion below in the comment section. And thank you. See you in the next video.